What's up, millionaires? I'm back with another market scan. Your host Hissham. Today, I am thoroughly going through the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dixie, and some other things which are happening in the market. But looks like we are at the point where it could be the bottom. So if you want to catch the bottom with me, stay with me till the end of the video. We will go through all the things which are happening in the market and what's market will expect in the future, and yeah, we try to find it out together, and let's see, maybe we would be lucky enough to catch the bottom. Start with the DXY. Okay. Oh, let's clear this. Oh my god. So the Dixie, it's not stopping, it's keep going up and up. I think the highest we have seen on the Dixie is 110.82. This is the on the weekly time frame. The next level which I am watching on the Dixie is 112. If you guys were following my shorts video on my channel, I have mentioned like if we break this 109 area, we will see a rally. What I am thinking at the moment, and which could be most probably the high probability of that thing will happen, we will see that highs again here around this area. But in financial markets, no one knows exactly what will happen in the market. So start with the Bitcoin dominance now. Okay. And also guys, leave that in the comment section below. And how was you, like I think it was a month last time I made the video. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys have learned anything you want to share with me, or you made any good profits in the market. I've made like good money on the Ethereum when we dipped like around the 900, which I will show you how I catch that dip. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Let's refresh the chart. Yep. So this is the support area on the Bitcoin dominance at the moment. As you can see here, currently we are in this zone. Price could potentially, like the dominance could potentially reverse from here, which is highly likely. If not, if we broken this level, candle close below this, we may see like this 36.47. That's the next stop I would expect in the Bitcoin dominance. So what that means is, if the dominance bounce from here, means we will see the maybe the reversal in the market, or we will see the more for the drop in the market, but people start investing back into the Bitcoin. That's what Bitcoin dominance represents. Start with Bitcoin weekly. Okay, so the best practice, guys, if you're a trader or investor, regularly invest in the market or trade in the market, I would highly recommend open your charts with the high time frame, at least weekly, if not monthly, at least weekly, and go down weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, or whatever time frame you trade. Go all the way down to that time frame. From the higher time frame, it will give you the better idea that on the macro scale what market is doing. So this is the weekly. One really interesting thing happening here, as you can see here, this was our previous bull run top, and we are still holding the price here. We have tried to break that level, but buyers were here. Obviously, when we last broken this area, there was a little bit pause here, so definitely there was orders sitting around this area. That's why the price bounced from here quickly. We have seen like on the daily, if you, I will show you, there's a bear flag here, broken this bear flag, and now looks like it's making the double bottom, which is, you can also call this as a horseshoe as well. Yeah, so this is on the leave that on the weekly. I will take you on the another nice clear chart. Okay, not clear, better than the previous one. Okay, so this is the daily on the Bitcoin. We are consolidating around this area. One really interesting thing which I have noticed, maybe you guys have noticed as well, we are in this area. A lot of people have are seeing this as a bear flag, and the bear flag is broken. If this is a bear flag, so that's the pole size, and the major move would be somewhere. Let's see. To be honest, I haven't actually calculated this measured move. Yeah, 14, 12, 14. Yeah, it still comes around that area if this is a measured move. But obviously I am prepared for the other thing as well, like it could be like the double bottom here, and we will see the reversal here. As you can see here on the daily, at the moment it's showing that divergence in the momentum as well. Sorry, I forgot to mention that in the weekly as well. So there's a divergence on the weekly time frame as well. So this is one thing I'm clearly closing an eye on. We can't ignore it. Obviously, charts don't lie. These are the price action mixed with the emotions of the people. Okay, yeah, so this is the daily. Let's go on to the 4 hour. I think I missed one thing, yes, which I want to mention. So this is the three drops. So that's the one drop, and oh, where is the marker? So this is the one drop, that is a second drop, and that's a third drop. So potentially that could be the fake out for the bear flag, and price could, like, market makers or the big players, they must accumulate more Bitcoin from here and just reverse the price from here. But looking at the macro scale economy, it doesn't look like we will recover from here. So this is the three drop here, and normally after the three drops you will see the recovery in the market. And that's not a small drop, it's a really, you see here, that's a really big drop, and then smaller than this drop, and this drop is pretty much similar to this drop, yeah. And the hike in the volume here. Go to the 4 hour. Yeah, if you guys followed my shorts video on the YouTube, I think on the couple of days ago when we were in this descending triangle, I made the video and I was telling that if we break this, we will retest this area like this bear flag, maybe, or maybe around this area, but that never happened. It tried to break that descending triangle in upward direction, but there was a lot of selling pressure available here. The price couldn't hold there and it comes down. So we have broken this descending triangle. After breaking the bear flag, what will happen next? Even on the 4 hour, if we see another dip, which could be like this, and we will see the divergence on the CCI like this, means that's another signal that we could see the reversal here in the price. It could be short term or long term, no one knows that, but yeah, it could be. That is the 4 hour. Now jump back onto the Ethereum. Start again with the weekly. I use the Bitstamp charts like for the price action, because on the Bitstamp it gives you the very old data as well. Like in this one, it's giving data from 2015, whereas in most of the chart, like if you open the FTX or the Binance one, I think they don't give you that old data. Yeah, so yeah, this was the before we broke this area, this price action. I think we were around here. Let's go back and use the replay feature, because we pay money for the premium facility on the Tradingview. Yeah, I think when the price was around that area, if you guys have watched my video, I mentioned like if we break this area, we could potentially see the price come around this area, because this is three confirmations for me why price would come and hold here. One is fib extension, that aligning with that. Another was this support here, which is aligning with that exactly. So yeah, these are the confirmations for me that price could come here. So definitely think happen after that. We have broken this support here and come around exactly around that price, and we have seen the bounce from here. Actually, I did catch this bottom on the Ethereum, not exactly like 890, I think, which was the lowest, but I think my order was around 910 or 15, somewhere around there. I don't remember exactly, but yeah, my order was there. I catch some Ethereum around there. If price will come, that's for my the long term hold, not for the swing or not for the trade. That's for my long term, because if it go lower than that, like maybe 4, 500, 300, 200, I would buy more Ethereum, because I am bullish on Ethereum and Bitcoin only. These are the only two cryptocurrencies in the crypto market space which I'm bullish for the long term. The rest are the currency coins. They may be good, but I don't have confidence in the other ones. Yeah, go to the daily now. Yeah, even on the daily you can see here, I haven't drawn on this one. Let me take you back to my original chart. Big zone here for the Ethereum. We were holding the price in this area. So after that drop here, we have seen the bear flag here. broken this one, and when the price was here, people are expecting there's the bear flag here as well. So this was the descending, we have broken this descending, that's a kind of a bear flag or the ascending, which becomes eventually after that ascending triangle. Break this because of the Ethereum merge news, and I still think depending on the market what like the overall market will do, and we have the Fed meeting as well this month, depending on that what will happen. But I still think like we may see the bounce here on the ETH merge, or maybe a little bit like a few days before that we see that pump and then dump on the news. Anything could happen, but I'm keeping an close eye around this area. Maybe I will find a potential trade setup here. Definitely not looking to buy for the long term around this area, because if you bought here, why you want to buy here? You want to buy lower. If the price breaks here, definitely I will take that trade here around this area, swing trade, or maybe just like the quick trade depending on the market conditions. So yeah, so this is I'm looking, and if you guys draw the line here, yeah, if you guys draw the line here, that could be your ascending triangle. So we have seen the 1 2 3 4, and then boom, it could be the breakout from here. But obviously it's not happening like in 1 2 days or a week, it could take a time here. So have your plan, guys. One thing which I will definitely suggest everyone, and I was telling in my previous videos as well, have your trade plan. Having your trade plan is very important in the financial market. It's same thing like if you are jumping in the sea and you don't know how to swim, you will die. You will die. So there is no way that you may survive in the water for a little bit like it, but at the end you will die. So having your trade plan is very important, guys. I'm stressing a lot on the trade plan in all my videos, because without your trade plan you can't survive in this financial markets. Market will take all your money, and at the end you will have nothing. You will go on the social media, you will find so many stories like this. I don't understand, people want to spend like blindly throw the darts in the market, which is a gamble. They don't know what will happen, but they don't want to spend a little bit of money on their education stuff as well, guys, which is ridiculous for me. So this is the Ethereum, guys, and nothing much happening on the 4 hour as well. Yeah, there might be like some few trades here, but I'm not taking any trades here because looking at the Bitcoin price could go either way. I want to wait for the dust settle down, and after that I will make some decision, unless there would be any like a really good trades on some coins, which definitely I will look. And that's it for tonight, guys, and hope you guys learned something from it. Any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you're still with me till the end of the video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe the video. It's not easy to make the videos and educate the people, but I think after doing all this, we deserve the appreciation. Not only me, if you're watching any YouTubers and following anyone, if you like their content, watching there and getting value from them, please do subscribe and smash the like button. It helps us a lot and YouTube algorithm to pick our videos and spread our videos. Thank you, guys. See you next time.